Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. Today we are going to study about the currency of different countries. What is the currency in India? The currency of India is rupee. Yes students, please remember this. So, how does a rupee look like? 1 rupee coin looks like this, that is 1 rupee. Let's look at few more denominations. So this coin is of 2 rupees. Then, students, have you come across this coin? Yes, it is a 5 rupee coin. Then we have a 10 rupee coin. Students, let me tell you, earlier there was no coin of 10 rupee. We had 10 rupee note only. However, now we also have a coin of 10 rupee which looks like this. We also have notes which are maybe of 20 rupees also, and there are notes of 50 rupees also. We have notes of higher denomination as well. There are 100 rupee notes, there is 500 rupee notes and so on. Currently, the highest denomination note is of rupees 2000, right? Now, this is the currency used in India. We use it for everyday purposes, to buy different things, to share, to get some different things, to get some change, or for various other purposes, we require this currency or the money. Correct? Now, aren't there currency in other countries also? Yes. Now, the Indian currency rupee is used only in India. The rupee is not used in any other country. When I say rupee is not used, I am meaning that Indian rupee is not used in any other country. What I mean by this, I will tell you in the next slides. Let us currently go ahead that different countries have different currencies. I have just told you that different currencies are used in different countries according to the country's laws. Like this is a currency of some other country but not of India. Here are few examples of some more currencies from different countries.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.